Anyways, I just woke up. Winds are crazy, 15 or more, I guess, because so a snubber broke in the middle of the night. Getting ready to leave. 6:15 in the morning. Apurva is in the ankle locker today.
Hello.
Kia is still sleeping. Well then. Morning. ये चार्ज पे डाल दे. Wash towel is on. Kitchen has to be cleared. I'm going ahead for the wheel. Gaurav and Swarupa picking up the anchor.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark.
We are leaving Malacca behind. These are Palau Besar Island group, 4-5 islands. Our next destination is Palau Bisang, which is more near Johor, 70 nautical miles from here. It is sunrise time now, around 7 AM. We have all our sails set up.
It is known that it takes any crew about 3 days to settle into the rhythm of sailing. By now, we had spent 7 to 8 days with Swarup and Apurva, and we all were getting pretty comfortable with each other. The boat running on a steady 3-watch roster, we found ourselves either sleeping, chatting, or playing games most of the day. We're reaching Banana Island! Banana Island!
Let's eat some banana.
Pulau Pisang! Pulau Pisang!
Our stop for the night. This is our stop for the night.
Yes.
And yeah, we've done 73 miles today
Whoosh!
since morning.
Quite a bit, huh?
Yeah, quite a bit of motoring. So Malacca State has been a lot of motoring for us. I mean, like, I think 65-70% motoring.
Yeah.
It's not good, but yeah, we had to make the time.
Also, there were no winds, there was no option. Everybody does say that you have to motor.
Yeah. So we're going to be here tonight. Then tomorrow is a short 20-mile hop. And then we do the Singapore Strait.
Oh, nice.
Which is going to be like, first 2 hours we're going to be in the dark. And then daylight. So I'm a little anxious about it. But it should be okay. Because as long as we can get the tide and the engine is working and there is some wind, we should be able to make it. That is going to be a long hop.
Okay. How many nautical miles?
From the place where we start to our marina is around 70 miles.
Okay.
So it's like going to be like start at like 4:30 in the morning and then reach before sunset.
Okay.
It's going to be hectic.
Apurva, what do you have to say? How is it?
It was good.
Today's sailing. Garmi.
I was sleeping. I was sleeping mostly.
Khao pio so.
How we so around.
Eat, sleep, sail, repeat. Okay?
What's the celebrity saying?
She's just drinking her hot tea.
Maybe I can say can be used against me. So please contact
Can't hear you.
Oh my god, anything that she says can be used against her.
Oh my days.
Please contact my lawyer.
Lawyer
Oh
directly.
my God.
Dadu, your dadu's a lawyer.
आप बताओ, how was it today? Hot?
Yes, it was hot. Some wind. When we had wind, we correctly opened.
Yes, both of us, good teamwork.
Managed to increase 1 knot.
Yes, we managed to increase 1
That's
knot.
why we have reached early.
Absolutely credit to us. This was the team that did it. And these were the 2 sleeping beauties of our sailing team. Hey, chashmishes. दोनों देखे देख. Pretty chashmishes दोनों. एक सेकेंड.
गिर गई, कॉफी गिर गई.
कॉफी गिरी है यहाँ पे.
मत समझ में
कॉफी
मेरा
थी.
फैंसी मग जिससे कॉफी गिराना इम्पॉसिबल है.
और ये हमारे PhD वाले सर है. ये
टिश्यू.
जो इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है वो करके दिखाते हैं. He has proven it. PhD and all of that fancy stuff.
किधर है? ले बस कॉफी पी लो.
Love me or hate me, partners in maiden, when he let his eyes on me. Yucky, neneni, na para bonan ng pichi, imida my headshot. No, I ain't gonna let anyone keep me down. No, no, you just gotta keep up 'cause I ain't gonna stop down. No, no, everyone just wanna get to know ya. Give me she Jack and God. Look at, do you think I'm sweet? I'm sweet, so sweet. You got stung by honeybee. You just wait to see. Look at, do you think I'm sweet? I'm sweet, so sweet. 저희 kiss and I'm sick of ya. 아마도 그럴 거야. Lazy lover, undercover.
थोड़ा एक्टिंग कर. कैसे?
Eating biscuits, sharing secrets. Now it's just you and me. No, I ain't gonna let anyone keep me down. No, no, you just gotta keep up 'cause I ain't gonna slow down. No, no, everyone just wanna get to know ya. Give me she Jack and God. Look at, do you think I'm sweet? I'm sweet, so sweet. You got stung by honeybee. You just wait to see. Look at, do you think I'm sweet? I'm sweet, so sweet. 저희 kiss and I'm sick of ya. 아마도 그럴 거야. Look at, do you think I'm sweet? I'm sweet, so sweet. You got stung by honeybee. You just wait to see. Look at, do you think I'm sweet? I'm sweet, so sweet. 저희 kiss and I'm sick of ya. 아마도 그럴 거야. Look at, do you think I'm sweet? I'm sweet, so sweet. Baby, I'm so sweet. When you got stung, honeybee, you just wait to see.
20. 40 on deck.
Again.
चुपचाप से खाता है. अस्टन,
Already done.
चुपचाप से क्या खा रहे हो? अकेले अकेले.
All in one, चूरा.
सब पता चल रहा है. तो अस्टन ने तो ऐसे क्यों टेढ़ा रहा है?
This was our last stop before we entered the very busy Malacca Straits. So we decided to have some fun, which meant Kea taking the crew for a dinghy ride followed by some weekend kind of party.
Arey, don't you want this back? Let them take it back. Bye bye. Enjoy. Wait.
So, Saturday night.
Saturday night on boat. Weekend
Anchored.
on boat. Saturday night or Friday night? What?
I don't know.
It's Friday. It's Friday.
Friday night.
Yeah.
Friday night on board, anchored.
Yeah.
कैप्टन गोगो
वीकेंड
Loving it.
वीकेंड चालू हो रहा है.
वीकेंड चालू है,
म्यूजिक चल रहा है,
म्यूजिक चल रहा है, खाना बन रहा है,
खाना सर्व हो रहा है.
बन
सर्व
गया
हो
खाना.
रहा है.
फ्राइडे
मस्त.
फायर फ्राइडे
फायर
पार्टी करते
फ्राइडे.
हैं.
आज
वीकेंड
का
चालू हो
सनसेट
रहा
भी आउटस्टैंडिंग था. वीकेंड स्टार्ट हो रहा है. वीकेंड
है. वीकेंड स्टार्ट हो रहा है.
कल
2
का
दिन
वीडियो
जॉब जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. 2 दिन जॉब पे जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. फिर मंडे से जॉब पे जाना पड़ेगा.
Seriously, there are times when the food turns out so bad that it needs to be chucked overboard. And the,
अरे खरंच दो तो समझा इधर.
अरे काम करो, पीछे से फेंकते हैं, उधर लाइट है थोड़ी.
बर्तन भी फेंकना पड़ेगा ये तो.
It was instant. We were trying it out. She said. So this is how our anchorage looks like.
Finally, the moment we all had been preparing for, entering the traffic separation scheme at the Malacca Straits. This is the busiest shipping lane in the world, with thousands of vessels passing through this narrow stretch every single day. Shallow banks on either sides, tidal streams running 3 to 4 knots, and a constant flow of traffic, making this a pretty intense passage, which is why planning and timing are very important.
So this is the traffic at Malacca Strait. Look at this. This is the northbound traffic coming out of Singapore Straits. I can see, I think around 40-45 ships coming in the opposite direction of us. Yeah, the traffic that is going east, south and east is farther away, so we can't see them. These are only the ships which are coming this way, half of them basically. Wow. And on in this side we have shallow waters. Tight spot. Sandbank on this side and Malacca Strait traffic on that side.
And all the crew on watch.
You're looking very serious.
All our nazar is on all of boats.
अच्छा उधर देख. एक्टिंग कर रहे हो.
अरे मैं कब से watch कर रही हूँ.
मुंबई का ट्रैफिक जाम है ये.
मेरा दाढ़ी दिखता वीडियो में.
हाँ तेरा दाढ़ी तो ठीक ही था.
ठीक ही था नहीं, अपने आप दोनों सुंदर बैठ के बैठे होते हैं. वो नाड़े वाला टी शर्ट पहना है, ये भी हैंडसम बन रहा है. मैं ऐसा मैं हीरो हूँ चाहे इस मूवी का. तो मेरे को ऐसा अंडरमाइन करते हैं.
अच्छा बता, what did the port control guy tell us?
So there is a vessel which is casting off from Anchorage.
अच्छा.
Casting off बोला उसने, बट वो आई थिंक SPM पे होगा. उसने बोला था आप पोर्ट हो जाओ और उसको क्लियर कर दो. ठीक है, हमने किया. हम पोर्ट आ गए एंड इट्स क्वाइट क्लियर. That's why they say you should do this in the daytime. Because at night it will be all light.
कौन सी है? हाँ. कौन सी है पता नहीं
Yeah, then you
चलती.
have to sit in front of your AIS and the chart and keep marking which is which. I find night driving is better because if the lights are proper on vessels, you can make out which is port side, starboard side, going up, going down, and you should have your electronics sorted. But with a novice crew, I think daytime.
Novice crew doesn't agree. Captain's Gyan 7654.
Are you mocking me?
No. Chaddi is background. Chaddi.
Funnel marking.
Hello, madam. आपका चड्डी बैकग्राउंड से निकालेंगे प्लीज. Captain's Gyan.
Funnel markings of merchant vessels. ठीक है. So they're looking at the funnel like the tail fin of an aircraft. You can make out which company it is from. Okay?
Okay.
There is a book for flags and funnels. You should refer to that and you can make out what company they are from.
Okay.
अलग-अलग चीज क्या हो गया?
Let's check out some funnels here.
Funnel में
So that is Indonesia there.
And these are all the merchant vessels. We are very close to Johor Port right now. If you can see, Johor Port is right in front of me. And just very close to Johor Port is Singapore. It's Straits and Singapore Island, which you have to be carefully crossing.
Dropped anchor between Singapore and Johor Bahru. $35.
35. Okay.
So we've just dropped anchor between Singapore and Johor Bahru. Yeah, Malaysia on this side, Singapore on this side, and
Indonesia
this is-
behind us.
Yeah, this is for around 10 odd hours. We will just chill here, and then at 5 in the morning we'll pick up anchor and start heading towards the Singapore Strait. We should be there by around 6:30 when it's just about daylight. Sunrise is at 7:06. So yeah, and then the tide starts picking up, and it should just shoot us across
Yippee!
Singapore Straits, and then we again climb into the river, another 20 miles into the river. To
How
go
many
to the-
miles do we have to do tomorrow?
72, I think.
Oh,
I have
that's
to
a
just
lot.
plan the passage again once we anchor.
White color.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. We are anchored next to Singapore.
So Singapore is right over here.
We can just swim to it literally.
Malaysia is right over here.
We cannot.
Indonesia is behind this island. Can't see it, but Indonesia is right behind this island.
Huh?
Let's just go there.
Yeah.
Swim and go.
And get arrested.
And get arrested.
Vipassana.
Plan trip. Swing to Singapore
Some frika khana.
and get arrested. So how was today's sail?
It was good. Initial part was good winds actually. Then as we came around the southernmost tip of the continent of Eurasia. Do you know that? That tip there is the southernmost tip of continent of Eurasia.
Oh,
Yeah. And yeah.
that went south.
Yeah, rest are islands. I mean, like Indonesia is there, Sumatra is there, but the mainland Eurasia. So yeah, so we are. Sail was good till then. Then we turned around and the winds died. So we motored around 7 miles and we have sailed around 17. Total 24 miles sailed. So that's not bad at all.
And how many miles have we done with the crew?
With them, oh man, we've done around 400 miles with them, I think.
You heard that? We got more than 400 miles.
Yeah.
I will get a big fat entry in my logbook.
They're the crew who've done maximum number of miles with us.
Yeah.
I think, yeah. Payal must have done because we've done
Payal has
crossings
done.
with her.
Yeah.
But their distance wise, they've done the most.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Covered a lot of like
Lot of distance.
land, water.
Land, water.
I don't know, like covered a lot of land, but they didn't
Lot of
cover a lot of. Yeah.
We went to sleep early with the beautiful Singapore skyline in the background. Plan was to start at 4:30 in the morning and catch the tide for our Singapore Straits crossing. But at around 3 o'clock in the morning, our anchor alarm started screaming. The anchor was dragging, and we were now in Singapore waters.
Anyways, I just woke up. Winds are crazy. 15 or more, I guess, because
We have been dragged to Alright.
so our snubber broke in the middle of the night. Yeah. It's 0300. So I'm sleeping. Apologies for that. Can't turn on any lights that can hinder my night vision. Snubber broke around 3 hours ago, I would assume. Was checking her anchor alarm when suddenly it went off along with my father's. That's when we realized we were drifting. Anyways, yeah, and we have another snubber. So, in a lot of pitching and turning and swirling, my dad went ahead, put that on. I came up to a lot of screaming, not screaming per se, shouting for me to come up.
नीचे है स्वरूप. After the stormy night, now we are leaving.
We're crossing the Singapore Straits.
Yeah, so you can take an Indian out of India, but can't take the India out of the Indian. And we are in international waters. Sure. Coffee and Parle G. Loving it. Early in the morning.
After the extremely adventurous night we had.
Yeah, man, we had a hectic night. Unexpectedly hectic.